Hello everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to sell your items on the Temu website. Let's get started. Open your browser and search Temu. Click on the first website, temu.com. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Click on Partner with Temu. Make sure to read the code of conduct carefully before proceeding. After that, scroll down and you'll see an email address to contact Temu. Write them a professional email including your name, your business type, what you want to sell, and why you're interested in partnering with Temu. Send the email and wait for their response. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.